What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to identify the draw on liquidity or pick a price target. So let's dive in. Now, what is liquidity when it comes to trading? Liquidity is an area in the charts in which an asset can be bought or sold fairly quickly. Notice how we have a pivot here or a pivot here. Chances are these pivots are probably your stop loss, but guess what? For the big dogs, that's where they're going to look to either enter their position or exit their position, using your blood as fuel for their fire. And yes, there are many forms of liquidity. You can use a volume imbalance, an equilibrium block, a fair value gap. All of those are forms of liquidity, yes. But in today's video, we're going to keep it very short and simple and keep it buy side and sell side liquidity, or basically just pivots. Every single time we enter a trade, we should be looking to target either buy side liquidity, which we have up here, or sell side liquidity. So notice how price is trending up, price is trending up. We grab this liquidity here. Notice how we fail to displace any higher. We start to get it pushed down. Now what happens? We start to stall out here. Notice what happens when we stall out here. Do we ever take out the high? No, we do not. So that's where we start to see the market structure shift. Now we have a trade setup. Why is that? Because we've identified that trend is down. Now it's up for us to figure out what is the draw on liquidity, which we can see here is currently this pivot. So let's dive into a live example. I just want to take a brief moment to thank you all. We did just cross 200 subs. You guys are amazing. I'm loving the interactions, loving the comments. Let's keep it going. So we're doing a huge sale to give back to the people that are supporting us. It really means a lot. The team and I at Rags to Riches are giving away our premium tier roll completely free for 1 month. The code is 2024. I'll put the website in the description. This should help you guys start off 2024 with a bang and put some more money in your pockets. Alrighty, what can we see here looking at NQ? Notice how we're trending up on the higher time frame. Prices, series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, we're currently in a retracement period going on here. We've identified the drawn liquidity or buy side liquidity as 15,876. Now it's up for us to be patient and wait for this market structure shift to get confirmation that trend is now shifting back to the upside, and then find an entry. So we did just get our market structure shift. Notice how we got displacement through this range as well. So let's play this out a bit. All right, we're trying to get this pullback. Now let's see, where's discount range? Okay, this is about a daily equilibrium. So I would look to enter this to take out the buy side liquidity up there at 15,876 at the pullback of this equilibrium block, and look to take the trade back up. If we get a pullback, great. If not, that's also fine. We do not force trades. We have to let the trades come to us. And perfect. There we go. A 3.81 risk to reward. Entry was off the equilibrium block. Stop loss at the most recent pivot. And we knew the buy side liquidity was the drawn liquidity. Why did we know this? Because trend is up. And we never got a higher time frame market structure shift. In order for us to get a higher time frame market structure shift, we would have had to take out these double equal lows down here. And the fact is that we never did take out these levels. Very likely buyers are still present until we grab more buy side liquidity. Now let's dive into a little more advanced bearish example. Looking at the charts here, what can we see? Buy side liquidity was taken here. Now it's up for us to find what is the drawn liquidity for the sell side. What can we see? Well, we have this pivot down here, and then we have another pivot down here. So we have both of these sell side liquidities acting as the drawn liquidity for this trade setup. Now we need to wait patiently for us to break this low here to see if we can get the market structure shift or not. Let's play this out. Okay, what can we see? Notice how we have a market structure shift. Now, at this given point in time, let's make sure we are taking our fill at discount. So let's go find discount of this range. We're currently at discount of this range. So let's take this short position. Stop loss at the most recent pivot high. Our entry sitting here at this 50% slash also the recent retest of break of structure. And we can look to target either or of these lows. Now, just being realistic, if we are to target this low, very likely price pushes down to this low as well. So with that being said, I am going to take 12,292 as a drawn liquidity opposed to 12,325 as a drawn liquidity. Let's hit play. And there we go. 2.48 risk to reward, straight to our PT. Now, if you're ever confused on, oh my goodness, I'm in a trade, but I don't know where to trim, just look back to the left, look to see where price pivoted last, whether it's a uptrend or a downtrend. So if it's a downtrend in this situation, where did price last pivot to the upside? Well, we pivoted down here at this range. So target that as your drawn liquidity or your price target. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.